Good morning. It's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Hi, hi, hi. So let's move this out of the way. And I just wanted to walk through my album that I made. It is from Anna Griffin, and it was the Simply Wildflower Meadows Scrapbook kit. I didn't even look at this because I already had thoughts in my head. So here it is. I did not put any pictures in it. I'm gifting this one to my grandbaby Adelaide and the other one Cora. I have two little girls and I have both books done. I just did a series where I did 14 double page layout videos on where to put every piece, every tutorial, 13 tutorials. So go backwards 13 and you'll see one through this one is the 14th, but I'm not calling it 14th. I'm just calling it a walkthrough. But the first one was unboxing and which papers to put in which sleeves. I did add 2 extra page protectors, so I had 4 pages extra than what it normally came with. I have 5 embellishments left over and 1 card. The card's going to go on the back. I'm going to write 2 Cora, Love Mimi, and 2 Adelaide, Love Mimi. I did not use these yet because I want to put the pictures in and then I want to coordinate what goes with that. And this is all the paper we had left over out of everything. So I used it all up. And I'm going to actually make a card with this and these embellishments and put in it. So let's look at it. A picture's going to go here. And this is who I'm making it for. I'll show you that. This is my son, his wife. This is Adelaide. She's a little older. And this is Cora. And Cora is now a year old. So that's who I made it for. So this page and the back page is a double layout, but it's front and back. And right here, I'm going to take this journaling card and I'm going to put a white piece of paper right here. Well, I don't think I need to cover this up. I'm going to put this journaling card right here, and this is where I'm going to write to and from. So they'll have it. Because they won't ever look at this until they're, out of high school and all. So anyway, so here is the first page. Hopefully the glare is not hurting you. But I teach you what size, where to put everything, and I used 200 of her sticker embellishments, gold and flowers, and then she had the photo frames and journaling tags and everything. All this, everything you see came in this kit. There is the next double page layout. There is the next one. I don't know, it's hard on this paper, it's hard to see the embellishments, and it is raised. You can feel it. There's the next double page layout. Here is the next double page layout, and I taught you how and what to cut to make these crisscross like a basket weave. There's the next double page layout. So if you want to just skim through, watch the whole video just in case I had made a mistake and had the sticker going the wrong direction. There's the next page layout. There is the next page layout. There's the next page layout. And if your pictures are going the other direction, just rotate the paper by one, and then it'll be going the other direction. All you'd have to do is move the journaling to go the right direction. Just move the card, the journaling card. Here is the next page layout. I just think it gets better as I made the album. There's the next page. The white came from the white that was inside the plastic sheets. We don't need to have the white in here. So I took them out and saved them and used them. And I have extra. Also, I use front and back of a lot of these. A lot of these aren't a lot of these are like, this one has 2 sheets. but some of them are, I use the front and the back of the papers, like this one. This one is the one side, and this one is the back side because it's double-sided papers. So we had 6 or maybe 7 pages to be able to cut and use with this, and then the white ones. So we were able to add a lot of 2 colors. Even though it's double-sided, you had the choice of having different, but we were able to add a lot of colors to each. There's 2 pages here. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. I had a great time making it. I really hope that y'all enjoyed watching and learning and crafting along with me. But I can't wait to gift this away. I am pleased as pie to have these done. And look, all those embellishments, all that right here, and it's not a gator mouth. It is like that. And I put 2 extra pages in it. So I really, really enjoyed it. So there is my double page layouts and everything. It was fun. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you subscribe. All the links are down below, and you can get this, and it's down below from HSN or AnnaGriffin.com.